Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Habib. I'm from kelas D. Di sini saya akan menyelesaikan tugas final dari Mr. Ridwan, SPD MPD, yang dimana materi saya itu adalah Discourse and Culture. Sudah. Discourse, next slide. Iya deh. Discourse is language beyond the sentence level. It includes conversation, speeches, academic writing, social media posts, interview, interview, uh, and all other forms and of communication that's that occur within social media. Social context discourse is only about grammar and vocabulary, but about how language function in real interaction. It can be spoken, written, or multimodal spoken discourse. Is dynamic and interactive, written discourse in structure and permanent, and multimedia discourse combines text, image, audio, and gesture discourse and construct meaning within communicates by conveying shared knowledge, social norms, and culture roles. Next, types of discourse. Three are the main types: spoken discourse, found in conversation, interview, discuss, or speeches by tone, pause, gesture, and context. Two, written discourse include essays, article, reports, and messages. It is usually more formal and structured and planned. Number three, multimodal discourse combines multiple modals com- communication like text, visual, symbols, audio, and movement, such as in art and social media content. Next, feature and Discord. Discord has several features that help build meaning, coherence, the logical flow of ideas that make a text understandable, cohesion, linguistic tools such as conjunction, pronouns, and transitional words that connect sentence and idea. Sure, taken. The rules about how speaker alternative in convention register and genre, levels of formally, and types of text depending on purpose and audience, culture assumptions, shared background, meaning. Next, what is culture? Culture is collective identity of a community. It includes shared tradition, value, behaviors, and worldview. Culture influences not only how people speak, but also how they interpret message. Each culture provides a framework that shapes communication style, expectation, and interpretation factors. Culture also determines how people express politeness, show respect, handle conflict, and instructor conversation. Next, component culture. Some important components of culture include beliefs and value, deeply held perception about what is good, true, or important. Custom of tradition, repeat practice such as ceremonies, greetings, and of social norms. Unwritten rules that dictate appropriate behavior. Worldview, the lens through which people understand life and society. Next, relationship between discourse and culture. Discourse cannot be separated from culture because culture shapes language as communication style differ across society. Discourse roughly identity. Language shows how we are and group we belong to. Culture rules determine what counts and follow root formal or informal varies across culture. Narrative patterns differ. The way stories are told influence culture, expectation, power, and ideology. Discourse often reinforces dominant culture norms. Next, intercultural communication. Intercultural communication occurs when individuals from different culture backgrounds interact. Miscommunication can happen easily because each culture has its own rules for speaking, listening, interpreting, and responding. Effective intercultural communication requires awareness, sensitivity, and willingness to understand different culture norms. Next, misunderstanding intercultural communicate atau source of misunderstanding. Different politeness strategy. Some culture ask direct speech, other prefer indirectness. Body language difference. Gesture facial response may carry different meanings, different interpretation of silence. Silence can signal respect in some culture but discomfort in others. Taking norms. Some culture interrupt naturally while others wait for a clear pause. Next, improving intercultural communication. To communicate effectively across culture, individuals should development cultural awareness, understand how culture difference influence communication, learn discourse patterns of other groups, such as greeting styles or storytelling technique. Practice active listening. Focus not only on words but also on context and nonverbal cues. Avoid avoid stereotyping. Treat individuals as anikia, not as representative of a group. Next, this Discord communicates. Discord communicate a group of people who share some communication goals, language norm, vocabulary, and genre. Example include academic communicates, medical professional, gamers, educator, and online communicates. Each community development its own terms, rules, and ways of constructing meaning, which member has to identity themselves as part of the group. Next, critical discourse analysis. Critical discourse analysis focus on how social inequity are expressed in language. Critical discourse analysis examines how media, institution, or political discourse shape public opinion and this reinforcements culture norms in reveals hidden biases, stereotypes, and dominant value embedded in text. Critical discourse, critical discourse analysis encourage society to question how language influence thinking and social structure. Next, culture example in discourse. Some examples show how culture different discourse. Politeness difference. Western culture value individual expression, while Asian culture emphasizes harmony. Greeting style. Bowing head verbal greetings differ by culture. Meaning of silence. Silence may imply respect, disagreement, of confusion depending on the culture. Next, conclusion. Discourse and culture are enforceable. Culture shapes the ways people communicate. First, as the main tool through which culture value are transmit understanding their relationship. Help individual navigate, communicate uh, across disparate setting, avoid misunderstanding, and appreciate the complexity of human interaction. Eh, kurami, kurami.